supposed to go on a date with an officer at 6:30.
I don't.
Oh my god, stop, I'm horny. I didn't do anything! Oh!
Why are you getting out of your car?
Your siren's on or whatever.
Get back in your car.
Okay, that's fine.
Get back in your car.
Well, you put your
Charlie
you put
5
your
Central.
lights on.
Can you copy the Illinois tag? Get back in your car.
Okay, sir. I'm sorry.
Charlie X-ray 69956. Red Kia. Start me a second.
Oh, what's up? Why did you pull me over?
The stop sign. Where's your license at?
What's up? I stopped at the stop sign.
You stopped past it.
I
Do you have
stopped
your
at the
license?
Stop sign. Yes, sir.
Then let me get your license.
Okay. I didn't do anything. Oh my
Also,
gosh,
your tint.
Please stop. Please stop. I was supposed to go on a date with an officer at 6:30.
I don't give a. I need your license.
Please don't curse at me.
I need your license, please.
I'll find it somewhere in here. There's some freaking vinegar and some books and some what? Like, what did I do, sir? A stop sign?
Good.
Where's the stop sign?
Stop sign's right there.
Where? Can you please get the lights out of my face? Okay?
How we doing, man?
Just
Please
pulled over or
really
just
chill
ran from
out.
that fight?
Please really chill out. Like, what's going on?
Where's your...
This is my baby, and I'm just holding on to it because
10-4.
I love life. 10-4. Seriously.
Okay, where's your license at?
I'm trying to find it in my bag right now, but you're shining lights in my face and you're yelling
I'm not shining
at me.
any lights in your face. I'm
You
asking
and
for
you
your...
cursed
You got
at
it in
me.
your car.
You just cursed at me. You said
I don't care if you're going on a date with the cop. I really don't care.
You just cursed at me.
Okay.
You don't swear at me, officer.
Do you have your license?
No, please, sir.
Back up.
I'm driving. Don't touch me.
Hands behind your back.
No, don't touch me. You just swear at me. Don't touch me.
Hands behind your back.
Don't touch me. Oh my god, stop. I'm horny. Stop. 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 No.
Stop. Hands behind your back.
They are. Stop. Get on the ground. I'm not doing anything.
Get on the ground.
Stop. Stop.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground. For what?
Stop. Resisting.
Stop. What did I do?
Stop resisting.
I'm not.
Give me your hand.
I'm not resisting that, You're pulling me for no reason. I'm trying to
Give me your hand.
You're swearing at me. I'm trying to find my ID for what?
Give me your hand.
Help! Please don't let me do anything.
Get the guy in the car. Get the guy in the car. Get the guy in the car.
I didn't do anything.
She said something unusual before this stop even started. I was going on a date with an officer. That detail matters. In the next few minutes, her behavior shifts fast. Notice what she's telling them about her day and what that might signal.
All you're doing is cursing me. I didn't do anything. Oh, I didn't do anything. Stop. Please stop. Please stop. I am not cursing at you. Ow! Ow! I am not cursing at you.
Stay on the ground.
All you're doing is swearing at me. And you're cursing at me. For what? What did I do? Stop!
Get up.
You're making me bleed.
Get up.
You're making me bleed. Stop! No, give me shit. Ow!
Don't move. Do not move.
No, please, my left one hurts really bad. Literally, and then this girl, oh stop, I was just in my jeans office earlier today, my 2 jeans, and we had to make a sexual assault report from my classmates. And then, so I'm going to stress a little bit today, okay?
Okay.
That's how I feel. And I'm fine. Please, my left wrist hurts really badly.
She just told deputies about a sexual assault report filed that same morning and a therapy appointment that afternoon. That context gets ignored. This is the moment the encounter could have slowed down. It didn't. That decision matters legally and procedurally. When someone in obvious emotional distress resists, the question shifts from, did she comply, to what was the appropriate response?
Shut up and stop moving.
My left wrist hurts really badly. Please, ow, see?
Shut up and we're gonna fix it. I'm gonna take this hand out and I swear to God, if you move it, I'm gonna hurt you. You understand? You're gonna go right back on the ground.
My left wrist hurts so badly. See, it was cut up. Can you see the bruise? I just filed a sexual assault report with my jeans this morning. Well, yesterday morning.
Nothing to do with me.
Whatever time it guys, I don't know if my watch fell off now because Uncle Pete was dropped for no reason. The mustache over there, he was dropped for no reason. And all you guys are fine. But I asked for help, and what'd you give me? Assault. And guess what I had to file this morning? Assault. With my 2 deans. And that's already stressful. And then I had an emergency therapy appointment at 3 p.m. today because I'm already in enough distress. And I'm not doing any drugs. And I'm out of cigarettes. I wish I had a fucking cigarette to smoke right now. But I'm out of cigarettes. You know? What? Ow! Oh, please, do you see my scratch? And then I'm sorry, some ratchet and his girlfriend.
It's a disgusting abscess.
Literally. Abscess and shit. That's a scar. Do you even know what I've been through? No. Thank you for your service, but like I've been through some fucking shit too.
You're welcome. What's your name?
Angela, what's your name?
Who?
What's your name? Officer, what's your name?
Deputy Nelson.
Deputy
What's
Nelson.
your name?
That's a good name. Angela.
Angela what?
Angela Patron.
Patron.
Yeah, I have nothing in my car.
There's the car. Don't make me tell you.
No, please, those are my books. Those are my books, please.
Do not come off this car again.
Those are my books, though.
Understand.
That's all I live for. I have nothing in there. I don't do anything bad. I'm a full-time student.
She's been on the ground, in cuffs, describing her books, her church, her piano. This is not a criminal mindset. This is someone in crisis. Battery on an officer and resisting with violence are serious charges. But the circumstances surrounding the arrest shape how those charges hold up. Illinois Statute 720 ILCS 5/12-3. 05 defines aggravated battery. The threshold here turns on whether the physical contact met the legal definition. Resisting with violence under Illinois law requires the state to prove she knowingly and intentionally used force, not just moved during a takedown.
I go to church every Sunday, and those are my books. That's all I care about is my books. And my music. Oh my gosh. If I can get a pack of cigarettes and go home and play some piano, that'd be so lit. If I could like boom, 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 boom on the piano right now, oh my goodness. My pastor loves me and my therapist loves me. What more is there to say? My glasses are off because he took them off me or whatever. Sorry, I'm not trying to run, obviously. My glasses and my sweater are off. Can you fix my hair a little bit for me so it's not in my face?
It's fine. What are you doing? Stop.
I'm trying to fix my hair. It hurts.
Face the car. Stop moving.
Okay.
What's your name, brother?
Right. Remember?
Can you stand up?
No, I need. I need some help.
No, I'm saying if I help you, you gonna be able to stand up? 1, 2. Come over here, brother. Come over here. Pants inside out. What you doing?
At the house, man. I'm gonna get this shit all messed up.
Where are you, something, man? Let me just talk to you real quick, all right? Yeah, look at me and listen, man. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. Just being stand, bro. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before you ask any questions and a lawyer present during questioning. You cannot afford a lawyer, want to be appointed for you before any questioning if you wish. Say to answer questions without a lawyer present. You will still have the right to answer any time. You also have the right to answer any time until you talk to a lawyer. You understand these rights, bro?
Why was I red those?
Huh?
Why was I
I'm
red?
just gonna ask you a few questions, bro. How do you know her?
I don't.
So what are you doing in her car then?
The male passenger told deputies he just asked her for a ride minutes before the stop. He observed what you're seeing. His account could matter in any review. At this point, FBI Sergeant Osborne is on scene. The more senior presence doesn't change what already happened, but it does shift the accountability chain. She's still communicating, still saying she didn't do anything wrong. People in active crisis often retain partial awareness. That's not guilt. That's not defiance.
Because I asked her to give me a ride home.
Where's home?
That's right up the road.
What were you doing out here?
I hollered at her.
You hollered at her? So you've never met her before? You just wanted to ride home from some random chick?
I got random chick. I hollered at her. Oh, hey, listen, I'm a man. And she looked like she was having fun. I asked her. I said, what's up? What you doing? She
Were you trying to have some fun with her?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I kind of got the feeling And she wasn't right when she started singing to herself and stuff. So I was like,
You think she's just crazy?
no, she's very intelligent, very smart. Smart.
Okay.
I mean, smart.
You got anything on you, man?
No, check. I'm signing off for everyone. Socks everywhere. Oh. Drop it.
I got you. Why are you wearing them this way, bro?
That's one for my job. Thank you.
Your job, painting?
Yeah.
She wear. Sir. It is now. I'm Deputy Blackwell.
Oh.
You got something in them? Come on, man. I'm letting you go. Yeah, I'm gonna take you out of custody, bro. Ain't nothing on here. Alright, you're good, man.
Okay, listen to her. Do what she says. Don't do anything else.
Yes, ma'am. Hi.
I'm Sergeant Osman, East Palm Beach PD. I'm going to search you. Do you have anything on you that can poke me, stick me, hurt me?
No, I'm a period though.
You what? You're in your period? Great. I love my girl. Are you hiding anything in your bra or in
Oh my
your
gosh,
hoo-ha?
I'm not wearing a bra and no.
Okay, can you turn around and face this vehicle for me, please? Spread your feet. And bend slightly at the waist.
I'm gonna slam me forward too hard.
You resist, that's what happened.
I didn't resist. I said I was trying to find my ID and he was like, meh, meh, meh. Sorry, but seriously, I was trying to find my ID in my bag. And then they threw all my books on the floor and I was like, that's all I live for is my books. And then you took my glasses off, it's like Twilight Zone, bro. I'm like, at least I have my books. And then my glasses fall off. I'm like, great. My therapist loves me and my pastor loves me.
How old are you? 27?
If you or someone you know is in crisis, 988 Suicide and Crisis Lifeline is available 24 hours a day. Call or text 988. Officer grade C-. Probable cause for the stop was valid. But once signs of emotional distress were visible, no crisis protocol was attempted. Suspect grade D. The resistance escalated a stop that could have de-escalated. The charges she now faces reflect decisions made in those first 2 minutes. The real issue this footage raises is whether departments are trained to tell the difference between non-compliance and a mental health emergency. She told them exactly what was happening with her twice. A sexual assault report that morning. Emergency therapy. That information was available. It wasn't used. Up to 5 years and a $5,000 fine for a traffic stop that began over a stop sign. Compliance at the window changes every number in that sentence. If you're ever stopped and struggling, comply first. Your story gets heard after. An attorney can argue context. Resisting creates a record that buries it. If this breakdown gave you a different angle on what you just watched, subscribe.
Where's she going?
Right over here.
What? Can you walk that way? No, there's no.
Go to the car.
No offense. I'm just talking and walking. I didn't do anything though, so I don't want to be arrested, please.
Stand right here.
I want my lawyer before it's hi, please. Hold on a second, let's not get too
I
erotic.
didn't do anything.
You went on the walk, so. Let's switch
This ratchet ass girl, not you, of course not you.
I know I'm not ratchet.
I know.
You don't have to
you
tell
know.
me that.
This girl on Friday. No, I'm not going away. What did I do?
I
Please, let my grandma
stop.
sleep.
It's not going anywhere. Stop. I have to take it off, but I'm not taking it from you. Trust me. I don't. Well, it's not even coming off anyway, so the jail's gonna have to take it off.
I literally had to talk to my deans today, and I had to report them. And I threw to my house, next to my vinyl player on my vinyl floors, and gave me the floor and 3 pumped in his pants. And I'm like, that's by definition sexual assault.
Go ahead and sit.
Up there and have a seat, please.
Oh, I didn't do anything.